Vanathi Srinivasan is a Tamil politician, lawyer and of RSS Ideologue. As a lawyer, she has practiced in Chennai High Court since 1993. She is a member of the Tamil Nadu Legislative Assembly from Coimbatore South constituency. She currently serves as the national president of the women's wing of the Bharatiya Janata Party. Vanathi Srinivasan was born on 6 June 1970 to her parents Kandasamy and Puvathal at Uliampalayam village near Thadamyathur block in Coimbatore. She is the eldest child in the family and she has a brother named Shiva Kumar. She did her schooling at Thadamyathur Higher Secondary School and topped the batch in chemistry. She went on to pursue her UG program in chemistry from PSG Arts and Science College. Later, she developed an interest to become a self-employed individual and set herself on the path to becoming a lawyer. She graduated from Dr. Ambedkar Government Law College, Chennai in 1993 and went on to achieve her master's degree in law from the University of Madras in the branch of International Constitution in 1995. Vanathi is a lawyer by profession. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe if you would like to view more of our videos. Have a nice day.